Do you want to build a snowman? It snowed. But my birds still need feeding. So I'm taking out my bird food that I've made and some biscuits that were left over. Yes, they're all in there. I'll show you down the garden. Yeah. Don't slip. Oh, the sludge. It's more of a sludge pile down here than what it is a snow pile. It is. Got to keep my birds fed. It's too cold not to. They know I'm here, they can hear me. But nobody's tried the flutter butter yet. Right. Let's pop out one of these. Do we have a spare thing to hang it out on? Do we? I don't think we do on there. We'll try and... There we go. And we'll pop one of these out on here. Homemade bird food. Birds are going crazy, you know, here. Right. Who left the lid off? Sure the lid goes down, because otherwise everybody gets in there. I don't want the rats and things in there. Right, I need to put these somewhere so they don't stick to everything. New bird food is out. I will keep you updated on how they get on with it, see if they like it. Fingers crossed. The tree is melting. It is. It's very cold out here, so I'm going back in now. Gonna go and be busy in my kitchen. Busy in my kitchen. Making breakfast and cleaning up. Yes. So I'll see you in my kitchen. Don't forget to like it, subscribe. Find me on my Twitter and my Instagram, Adelesexyuk. Find me on my OnlyFans, the freebie, the $10 and the VIP naughty one. See you all later. We need that. And we need this. Love you all.